This tip here, kind of like section it into three parts. So I don't know how to explain this, but just watch my hands. I'm using these two fingers to grip two hair, or three fingers, 1 2 3, and I'm using this one here to grip this one. So now I'll be picking the hair progressionally as I unroll. So each time my hands move backward, I'm actually gripping hair. Like now, I will grip hair on this side. Now, I will grip hair on this side. So this is how you gradually move, from the beginning of the corn roll to the braiding parts of the corn roll. Please just ignore all these little flaky things on her hair. You can see this cap is actually very neat. And the reason is because we washed the hair without losing the hair. So she was having an old corn roll and we decided to wash the hair with the corn roll. So at the end of the day, we got a neat cap, but then we got some little particles, on the hair. Maybe when the hair gets dry, they will just fall off by themselves. So guys, let's continue our corn roll. If you find this video very useful, helpful, just smash the like button, share this video. Please share our video. Subscribe if you are yet to do that. It means a lot, like a lot to us. I mean, it tells us that, our video is adding value to someone out there, in as much as we are all learning together. So people, like this video, share this video.